Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. Currently it is Sunday and let's get right into the charts. Starting off with Bitcoin, of course. Yesterday, after getting the sweep below $75,000, as I have been talking about in my previous videos, the whole time we were dropping right here, I was talking about a potential sweep of this low, and that after we sweep this low, it's going to be either make it or break it level for Bitcoin. And as you can see right now, we did drop below this level, which was exactly as I talked about, sweeping this liquidity below. Right here, we dropped all the way down to 74k, basically 74.1k, the low 74ks. And after this level, you can see price is showing strength. We are up 3.5%, back almost trading at 77,000k. We did hit almost that weekly open level yesterday, and as you can see, price is still remaining strong. So as long as we don't lose this level, guys, which we did not lose, as you can see right here, then I believe Bitcoin has one more chance of grabbing the liquidity sitting right here at this level, which is the POC and the value area low at the previous range that we were trading the first time that we dropped sharply towards $80,000. Now the first key level that we want to get above back is that wick right here, that 80.8k level. Of course, we want to see a reclaim of this level in order for us to consider this push to the highs once again. But I believe as how things looking right now, it's still this move right now, you can know it's happening during the weekend. Of course, weekends are right now more volatile since, of course, the CME markets and the stock market are not opened. So this could be just a fake out and we could head down lower. But even though we are doing this during the weekend, I believe that we are, in my opinion, due for another push to the highs. If we look at the USD dominance chart right here, this is basically the inverse chart of Bitcoin. The USD dominance did hit its monthly pivot while Bitcoin front ran the monthly pivot, which of course means even if we go higher, we tend to reverse back down, which is of course what we're looking at. We're looking at what we're looking for basically. We're looking at retesting the highs right here, and then we're looking for continuation down in the macro trend since we're still in a bear market. Hype right now, on the other hand, breaking even higher. You can see this weekly candle has been going absolutely parabolic, and in 14 hours, if we close this weekly candle like this, then this could be a engulfing candle and we could see hype go all the way up to around $81 potentially. As you know, right now we are in price discovery. So basically, while being in price discovery, we could not call a certain top level after breaking the all-time high right here, which I have also been calling since a long time, that we are going to see hype basically break this all-time high level. The stock market, we cannot cover this right now. The markets are closed, but as you can see right here, potentially the S&P 500 did close also bullish, and we could still see one more leg higher towards that monthly R3, which is sitting around 7,700. Back to Bitcoin on the short term, you can see yesterday after this drop that we had, we did reclaim VWAP in that V-shaped recovery, and ever since then we have been trading above the VWAP. So we could still see a continuation. You can see during this whole move down, the CVD dropped basically, and right now it is trying to recover back up. Open interest was very, very choppy during this move right here. So basically lots of leverage positions got stopped out and taken out of the market during this what seems to be basically small move right here, around 4% during the weekend. Lots of positions were basically liquidated. You can see basically on the liquidation heat map, after this drop right here, we left a lot of liquidity, started piling up all the long positions that long this dip right here. And right now we are, in my opinion, as I said, heading for the liquidity which is sitting on top. Fear and greed index sitting still in the fear zone. We might need another pump to change that basically next week if it continues being bullish like so, then we could very well still see higher prices. Spot ETFs, nothing new here, basically everything in the red. Long shorts ratio right now, you can see a lot of sellers, everyone is trying to short this move right now, but I do believe that this move that we had basically is now going to be a bottom, and Bitcoin will continue rising with everybody shorting. Even the bigger whales on Hyperliquid are short, and even they might get taken out with the next weekly open. As for news next week, we do have a holiday on Monday, not that much data on Tuesday. Wednesday also same thing, nothing much. Thursday and Friday are going to be the two most important days for next week, basically end of the month. Options expiring for Bitcoin, this is also going to give us some volatility. And yes guys, I do believe that this would cover it for today. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.